How to create a coming soon landing page on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to give you a full guide on how to make step-by-step coming soon landing page on squarespace.com. So in fact it may sound difficult, but no need to worry, it's really easy to do and I'll show you how. So the first step you need to do is to create an account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I have already made one. I have already made a couple of websites, but all you need to do is to click on create website. Okay, so here it's asking us what we are going to do, what our site is about. We'll say to it that it is a coming soon. Okay, so now coming soon landing page. So if you want to make coming soon landing page, you need to choose here what will your site be about. For example, we are creating a wedding that is coming soon, so it would be a wedding. The second step, it's asking us what do we want to do with our website. So if it is a coming soon landing page, we just want to promote something, promote an event or a project. There are a lot of opportunities. For example, you can collect donations, offer a contract form, sell on-demand videos, sell online courses, showcase work or expertise, get appointments, sell services. Here I put a tick, we will promote an event or project. In our example, we will promote a wedding. Next is to sell products, sell memberships, promote a physical business, build a community, publish a blog or other media, and send invoices. So you just click next, and the next step, it's asking us how we would like to build our website. So we have two variants. We can choose a already existing template, or we can create our website with AI help. So I'm not going to use an AI help, we're just going to choose browse templates. So here we already have choose weddings, so here are the wedding templates. As you can see, they are all really beautiful, and you just need to choose what is most suitable for your website. For example, I would choose this one. So here you can change the sample color presets. As you can see, it is already beautiful, but we can change it, for example, like this. Okay, that one looks fancy enough. Okay, so you need to click on start with this design. Okay, so something went wrong, we need to reload the page. Let's reload the page and start with this design. Okay, so now everything looks good, everything is working. And the next step, you need to create a name for your website. For example, we would like to have the best wedding. Okay, so then click continue. It will tell you how to sell, how to traffic your site, how to manage your business, and just click on get started. So as you can see, it is a one-page website, so you can check all the pages of your website here in the pages. It have 3 more pages: work, about, bookings. So how to change and how to edit this website. So here is the tick, here is the button to edit. You just click on it, and it's going to load the editing page. So as you can see, our website is divided into the sections. So here is the section of the header, here is the main section and the footer. Okay, so for example, if you would like to add a section right here, you just click on this button, add a section, then choose a section that you really like. For example, this one. So it says introduce your brand. We will type introduce your wedding. Okay, so here it is. We have added the sections in second. If you want to edit your section, for example, add something right here, or you can you want to change this button, you just need to click on this button, add a block, and here is all your opportunities what you can add here. You can add the basic things like text, button, form, newsletter, shape, line, map, markdown, summary, social links, image, video, audio, accordion, scrolling, quote, embedded code, calendar, and the chart. And business things like product, scheduling, digital product. You can add integrations, Instagram, SoundCloud, RSS, Zola, Flickr, bands in town. Here are the filters and lists. You can add a search button, content link, tag cloud, archive, and there are premium things like you can add a menu for your restaurant, an open table, an Amazon link, and a donation button. So for example, I would like to add a map. So here we would like to see where the wedding will be. So you can edit this map. For example, you just type here an address, a city, and a country. For example, I would like to see Florida here. Okay, so the Florida have been loaded. You can tap here and you see the Google Maps where your dot is currently pointed. So I just want to make this point on the Highland Park, for example. Here it is in the Highland Park, as you can see. Okay, so and you can change the design, for example, of this map and change it to original. Okay, so now it looks good. Just scale it down a bit and put it right here. So you can also see the mobile view of your website. Here how it will look in the mobile. Okay, so I think the map is not really for this place, but it's just an example for you how to edit your website. Okay, so when everything is ready, you just click on save, then click exit, and your site is ready. So there are subscriptions plan to use your website correctly. The first one is the cheapest one, the $16 personal plan. The most popular one is the business plan for $23 per month. Next one is the basic commerce one for $28 per month, and the last one is advanced for $52 per month. So guys, choose the best plan you are suitable for, and if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.